Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Yadav and I am a student of class 10D and I am a student of Bharav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir and it is located in sector 12 Noida. And today I am going to discuss about a chapter, A Triumph of Surgery of my English textbook for the assignment of English speaking skills. In this chapter, there was a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, who had a dog and she loved him very much. She every time overfed him and gave him lots and lots of things for eat, such as chocolates and heavy meals several times a day and many more things. As a result, Tricky was become very fatty and he was not able to walk a single step. And she was very concerned about him, and so that she decided to call Mr. James Harriet, who was a veterinary surgeon. And when he came, he saw him and he advised her to give him balanced diet and lots of exercise. But she can't follow that thing because she loved him very much and she thought that he was suffering from malnutrition, so she started giving him extra food. As a result, she was not able to play his favorite game, ring throw, and when she again called Mr. James Harriet, then he came and carried the dog along with him and to his hospital and put him on his bed, and he didn't give him anything for 2 days except water. On the third day, he shows some sign of movements and play with other dogs. Gradually, he recovered, and Mr. James Harriet called Mrs. Pumphrey to carry her dog as he was completely recovered. When Mrs. Pumphrey reached there, the Tricky became very happy and he jumped over her, and she also became very happy on seeing his very good conditions, and she was very thankful to Mr. James Harriet, so she referred it as a triumph of surgery.
So, who is the author of this story?
Mr. James Harriet.
And what's the name of the dog?
Tricky.
And what's the name of the owner of dog?
Mrs. Pumphrey.
So, my name is Ashutosh Singh and I am student of class 10th and my school name is Bharav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I am going to tell a story of a seagull named His First Flight, and the author of this story is Liam Flaherty of Assessment of Speaking Skills. So there is a story of seagull who is afraid to fly because he thinks that the sea is very depth and his wings would not help him to fly. His parents and his siblings also encourage him to fly, but he could not even move. He is very afraid to fly. So their parents left him on the ledge and moved to other part of sea. More than 24 hours passed and he did not move, and his health is not well because of hunger and heat. And suddenly he saw his mother is taking a fish for him, so he became very happy and moved toward his mother. But on the midway his mother returned back, so he became out of hunger and jumped on the fish, and he suddenly fall down into sea, but suddenly he spread his wings and flied, and after that he eat the fish and now he able to fly.
So, who was the author of this story?
The author of this story is Liam Flaherty.
Who was afraid to fly?
The young seagull was afraid to fly.
Who was alone on the cliff?
The young seagull alone on the cliff.